Good morning, sir. My name is from class 7 to 10 telling about science question answer.
Why is reproduction important?
Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce their young ones. Reproduction is the most important biological activity of living organisms and maintain the continuity of life on this planet.
What is germination?
Germination is the process of developing seed into new plant.
Name the plant whose seeds dispersed by explosion.
Pea plant and bee plant.
Explain the process of reproduction in yeast.
Microscope organisms such as yeast reproduce asexually by budding. In this type of reproduction, a small outgrowth appear on the body of the organism. This outgrowth is called bud. This bud keeps on increasing inside and separate from the parent to form an independent organism.
What do you understand by measurement?
Measurement is the assignment of a number to a characters of an object as event, which can be compared with other object or event.
A car covers a distance of 450 kilometers in 8 hours. Find its speed.
Distance 405 kilometer, 50 kilometer, and time 8 hour. Speed equal distance and time upon time 56.25.
Define following with the help of graph, a uniform motion or non-uniform.
If an object covers equal distance and equal intervals of time, its motion is called uniform motion. In other words, when a body moves with changing speed in a straight line, its motion is said to be an non-uniform motion.
What is an electric circuit?
An electric circuit is a closed path in which the electric current flows through.
What is an electromagnet?
A soil wound around as iron core that acts as a magnet as long as an electric circuit flows through the soil is now as an electromagnet.
What is fuse?
A fuse is a safety device used in an electrical circuit to prevent a large amount of current flowing through a circuit.
List 4 uses of electromagnet.
It is used to separate iron and steel from other material in a metal scrapyard. Electromagnets are used on cranes in steel work and scrapyard for lifting heavy load. Bullet train use the principle of electromagnetism. The most important use of electromagnet is in electromotors. Thank you.
Sarovar.
Over. Okay, go.